everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Moving on, going live is an excellent way to communicate with your followers in real time. Viewers will be able to type questions into the comment box that you can respond to during your live stream. Now to go live, simply tap open your Instagram application and from the home screen of Instagram, tap on the plus button located at the bottom of the screen. You'll see three options. Either you can post something, you can post on your story, or you can go live by tapping on live. To go live, simply press the circle. That is how you can go live on Instagram. Once you've entered your live stream, it automatically stays on your Instagram story for 24 hours so that if someone has missed your live, then they can view it on your story. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.